Your carpets, they do take a beating, and there's a lot of nasty things that you can see and some things that you cannot see on them. Getting them clean is a tough job. Joel Steed from Zerorez KC shows how the company's high-powered water can get the job done without using harsh chemicals.
Here at Zerorez, we're a little different than the traditional steam cleaner, hot water extraction cleaners. We're not using any soaps or shampoos, nothing that's left in the carpet that would leave it stiff or sticky, that would actually attract more dirt. So what we are using to clean is our powered water. It's the high alkaline water we make right on board our vehicles, and it's not leaving any of that stiff or sticky, harsh chemical behind. So your carpets will actually stay cleaner longer. So a lot of people ask how often get your carpets cleaned. In order to keep your warranty intact, they'll require you to do it every 12 to 18 months. Here at Zerorez, most of our clients do it about once a year based on how many kids, pets they have, and even scale it back from there and do it more often if needed. So I can't really show you exactly how we do all the cleaning without bringing a van in here, but I did want to show you how our water's working, the difference between our powered water and just regular tap water. One of these has our powered water, one has regular tap water. To show you what everybody's starting with, but with that tap water, you're going to have to add soaps or shampoos, something to break this down. So what this is, iodine going into these waters, so it allows us to break that down without the use of harsh chemicals, soaps or shampoos. Allows us to clean with no residue left behind. We're the only cleaner that can say that. And your carpets really are, they're left cleaner for longer because there's nothing still in the carpet attracting dirt, leaving it stiff or sticky.
And here's a special offer. Schedule today and get 3 rooms of your carpets cleaned for $119. Plus, you'll get a 4th area cleaned for free. Just use the code KCTV. Now, to make an appointment with Joel and his team and to take advantage of that special offer, go to ZerorezKC.com or call 816-425-3655. Again, you must schedule today to get that 4th area cleaned for free.